inscribed angles in inscribed right triangles. Okay, let's look at this for just a second. See how this is the diameter because it goes through the center? So this angle right here makes this arc. And if this is the diameter, then this means it's half the circle. So this angle right here is 180 degrees. So by what we learned in U11, the inscribed angle is half of the arc, so this is going to be 90 degrees. And in all of these problems on this lesson, there's always going to be a diameter, so you're always going to have a right triangle because of the diameter. And so we're looking for angle G, which is this one. And so we have this triangle, and so we have 90 plus 33 is 123, 180 minus 123 is 57. So we have a diameter, so this is 180, so this is 90. So 30 plus 20x plus 90 is 180. 120 plus 20x equals 180. Subtract the 120 and get 60. Divide by 20, and your x is 3. We're looking for x, so we are finished with that problem. Okay, a little time saver here. If you just listen to me, it should make sense, and it's going to save you some time on this. You can do all of these other problems exactly what I just got finished doing, or if you know it's a right triangle, then you know you have a right angle. And if you have a triangle and you know that they always add up to be 180, and you know that you have 90, then these two angles are always going to add up to be the other 90. So instead of 90 plus something equals 180, you can do these two angles to equal 90. Since it's an isosceles triangle, then your base angles are equal, so this is also x minus 43. So x minus 43 plus x minus 43 is going to equal the other 90. 2x minus 86 equals 90. Add the 86. 2x equals 176. Divide by 2, and x equals 88. We're looking for x, so we are finished. Again, another isosceles triangle. So this angle is also 2x plus 47. We're looking for x again. So negative 2x plus 47 plus negative 2x plus 47 equals 90. Negative 4x plus 94 equals 90. Subtract the 94. Negative 4x equals negative 4. Divide by negative 4. And our x is 1. We're looking for angle U. So we need to find x and then plug x in to be able to find angle U. So x plus 40 plus x plus 14 equals 90. 2x plus 54 equals 90. Subtract the 54 and get 36. Divide by 2. And x is 18. Now x is not the answer. X plus 40 is the answer. What's x? 18 plus 40, so 58.